Okay, so this video is about two of coins or two of pentacles. Um, in the first card, that is Ace of Pentacles, we were offered an opportunity. This is the first card. So in Ace of Pentacles, the person was offered an opportunity. The person was offered a coin. The coin can be considered as an opportunity, a, a revelation, like a new idea or beginning of a new project or new financial business or new venture. So this coin can be considered as anything, an opportunity or new venture. So this was indicated by Ace of Pentacles. So now two of coins we see that the same coin which was offered to us in Ace of Pentacles is present, and there is one more coin that is present, and the person and the figure standing in this card is juggling the two coins, and he's dancing as well. It doesn't look like he's sad or he's being over. He is juggling it. Obviously he's focused, his entire focus and commitment is on juggling these two points, but he doesn't look sad. He's dancing, looks like he's enjoying the each and every moment of the process of juggling these cards. So two of cups is about um, two is always a card of choices. Two is always a number of the the cards with number two are always the cards which represent choices or conflicting interest. Here we have two coins. The first coin from Ace of Pentacles, and there is another coin. The one coin represents the new project, new venture, new job, the new opportunity being offered, and the other coin represents other material aspects of your life, like your own personal life, your spiritual interest, your material interest, other material interest, other financial interest, your health, anything. And the person is here is trying to manage this two conflicting interest, is trying to keep this two conflicting interest in balance. So this whole imagery and the tarot card gives you a message that life will always present you with conflicting interest. There will be always situations where you'll have to um, manage your life. There will be demands imposed on you. You have to manage those demands. You will be happy if you are able to keep a balance between the conflicting interest, between between the demands imposed on you, and you'll be able to live and keep things in harmony. So this is what is the message given by two of coins. So if you see in the background, there is sea, there is water. So water in tarot is symbolism of consciousness, the conscious mind. It's the background of this card. So this imagery tells you that this represents the consciousness of the person standing in this card. And as you can see, there is a turbulence in the sea, and it's so it shows that there are lots of things going on in the conscious of this person. But still you see that though there is turbulence in the sea, the boats, the ships are able to cruise on the sea very easily. So it means that though there are lots of things going on in his mind, he has the capacity to resolve things. He has the capacity to resolve things. And also there is an infinity loop. This infinity loop suggests that the infinity loop also shows that this person has the capability to handle unlimited number of problems, and also is enjoying uh, dealing with the act of balancing his various aspects of life, and that's why he's dancing. So this card says to manage conflicting interest in your life, to manage and one before going that, I would want to add one more thing. There is a hat here which is red in color, and this hat looks very lengthy when compared to the head of the person. So this red hat represents agility, represents alertness, represents patience. And so what does this card says is that if you are alert, if you are flexible, if you are patient, then you can keep a balance, you can keep a harmony, you can manage all the conflicting interest in your life, you can and if you do proper time management, proper financial management, then you can manage your personal life and your work as well. Not only personal life and your work, but you can also manage the various financial investments in which you have uh, various financial investments to which you have committed. This card says that apart from being patient, flexible, and alert, you also need to prioritize your commitments. Unless and until you are clear on how much time and energy you need to spend on your commitments, you will not be able to do proper planning and proper time and financial management. So this is one thing. And so whenever this card appears in a reading, it means that it tells you that it prompts the user to analyze his situation, to see to see whether he is planning things accordingly, how is he dealing, what is his way of managing his financial investment, is he doing proper time and financial time management, is he doing proper financial management, whether the way he's investing in financial projects, are his ideas flexible enough to are his investments resistant to changes. Because whenever this card appears, it suggests that you need to go you need to take decisions, take those decisions, you need to take those financial investments, commit to those financial investments which are resistant to change, because this card predicts change. So if your financial investments are resistant to change, they will prosper, otherwise it can give you hard time. So one way is that you do not invest everything in a single thing. You distribute your finances on multiple different areas. That is one thing. And another thing is, whenever this card comes, it indicates that you will be have to do lots of planning, lots of time management. You have to focus on keeping balance to in order to realize your goals, or in order to live happily. And because there is a water and because there are ships in the background, it can also indicate travel in an obvious manner. So all this is all about two of coins upright. So when if in the reverse position, if you see, the hat is down. The hat is down. This hat, like I've said, stands for agility, alertness, for patience. So it may mean that you are not patient enough, you are taking decisions in haste, it shouldn't be done, or it may warn that the amount of thinking you have given to a financial decision is not enough. Maybe you need to think more, you should give more time for doing any financial decision. and it can also indicate that you are not clear enough on what you want to do, and you are not clear enough on your planning aspect. You are not able to prioritize your activities properly, which is why you are not able to keep a balance in your life. In a reverse position, we can see it one way, that the two points are have fallen down from the hands of the person. So these 2 points are no more under control of this person. So it means that you, your management is very wrong. Things are not under your control. There is an imbalance in your life. Your financial investments are not going the way you wanted them to be as per your planning, or you are focusing more on work and you're not giving importance to your personal life. It can also mean that you're overcommitting then your ability. You are overcommitting, and hence you are not able to fulfill any of your commitments. So this is all about two of coins. That's it.